Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at home. This is Starlet Jose and today I am here with you to teach you Moral Science chapter number 4, Working in Tandem, which means working together. Let us have a look at the concept of this chapter. Teamwork is born when a group of people cooperate and work together to achieve certain common goals and share the rewards. Students, particularly adolescents, who learn to work in teams make significant social and emotional gains, for they find themselves much better equipped in handling such problems as an unclear sight of objectives, fostering self-doubts and feeling a sense of isolation. Team workers also find it much easier to develop emotional maturity in coping with their relationships and in getting their jobs done more efficiently. So, teamwork is born when a group of people work together to achieve certain goals and sharing their rewards. Teamwork increases the efficiency and productivity of the work. It also encourages others. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies the performance. Now let us see the overview for the chapter. Read along with me. It was their summer vacation. Sangal and his friends did odd jobs to augment pocket allowance. They are delivering newspapers, at fast food joints, washing cars, selling lemonade, delivering pizzas, etc. Working individually, they did earn some money, but not equal to pool sufficient money to fund their dream holiday at a hill resort in the lower Himalayas. So this is a story for you to understand the importance of working as a team. In this story, a boy named Sangal and his friends are trying to raise their pocket money for enjoying their holidays. So what they want? Sangalp and his friends want to enjoy their holidays at a resort in the lower Himalayas. But the problem is that they don't have enough money to go there. Okay, let us see what happened to them. Then an opportunity presented itself and the four of them teamed up to tackle a job which became their part-time profession, and soon they had enough money to realize their dream. Here is how. So Sangalp and his friends got an opportunity to do a work which helped them to increase their pocket money for spending their holidays in the lower Himalayas. Here two new words are there. Augment, which means increase. They want to increase their pocket money. Tackle, meaning of tackle is to deal with. Okay, let us see how they found money for their holidays. It is no use, despaired Sangal. We have worked for almost a month now, and what we have collected is a mere 1,000 rupees. Anuj shrugged resignedly. What can we do? We have our daily expenses to meet, he knew. This is all we could say. So Sangalp and his friends got an opportunity to do work with to a work which helped them to increase their pocket money. And they are in a sorrow since they don't have the enough money. But something happened there, that is Neeraj, one of his friend, put forward a suggestion. Let us see what. Neeraj looked at his friends. Listen, Have some news for you, he confided. Mr. Mathu, our local cooperator, needs his lawn and garden to be done up. It is his daughter's wedding next week. Shall we go and offer our services? He will pay us well. What was the suggestion by Neeraj? He suggested to do a job at Mr. Mathu's garden. He was the local cooperator. Uh, because of his daughter's wedding, he has to clean his garden. So Neeraj put forward this suggestion whether if they clean the garden for Mr. Mathu, then they will get a pay for their work. Here also we have some new words. Despair means without hope. Shrugged, raised slightly and momentarily to express doubt. Rude, regretted. Confided means commented. Okay, let us see what happened after giving this suggestion to the friends. Are you crazy? Pankaj objected. Those grounds are 5 acres at the least. How will we finish the task in a couple of days? What happened? The friends straightly denied the suggestion by Neeraj. But Sangal, one of their friends, he took the lead and see what he had done. We will find a way, I'm sure, he reasoned. And don't forget, we will get more money in a very short time. The four of them argued and reasoned. A decision was reached, and Sangal accompanied Neeraj to close the deal with Mr. Mathu. So, after some arguments and discussions, they decided to do that work. And Sangalp and Neeraj went to close the deal with Mr. Mathu. Okay, what Mathur is saying, I will pay you 2000 rupees, but I needed the job completed in 2 days' time, he said, a note of warning in his stentorian voice. Stentorian voice means a loud and a powerful voice. So when Sangalpan Neeraj approached Mr. Madhu, he given some condition. What was the condition? The work should be done in 2 days. And also for the job, he will pay 2000 rupees. Anyway, Sangalp and their friends ready to do the job. It was dawn the next day, and the four of them were surveying their task. Roughly 4 acres of lush lawns and numerous long rows of flower beds lay before them. After agreeing to do the job, they were going to see the lawn or the garden, uh, and what they have found there, it is of 4 acres land where a healthy plants are growing, and also long rows of flower beds also there. So there is a vast area therefore to work. What is the meaning of lush? Lush means thick, healthy plant growth. Neeraj, you and Pankaj begin with the lawns. One would operate the mower and the other would rake the cut grass into baskets. I will empty the baskets in the compost pit. He was organizing his resources optimally. Anuj, you start with the weeding in the flower beds. Do one row at a time. We will rotate our duties every 2 hours so that none of us is overburdened and none let off easy, he announced. They set to work and exchanged the tasks at intervals. So what happened here? Sangal, he divided the duties into all friends so that nobody will overburdened with that. See the new words. Mower. It is a machine used for cutting grasses. Rake means gathering. Gathering the cut grass. Cut grass. That is the meaning of rake. Optimally means most favorable way. It was lunchtime, and as Sankalp stood back to assess their work, he had a feeling that Anuj was lagging behind in his assignment. So during lunchtime, they were taking rest. That time they were analyzing their work, how they have done till now, and they found that Anuj, he is little bit lagging in his work. There were 20 rows of flower beds on either side of the long driveway from the gates to the portico, and Anuj had been able to weed just 3 rows. That would mean only 12 rows in 2 days at this rate. So, what Sankalp said, he said that Neeraj, you are quicker with your fingers, while Anuj is much more well built than you. You two exchange your jobs from now on. Anuj, you take them over, and Neeraj, you do the weeding. So Sankalp exchanged their duties with Anuj and Neeraj according to their capabilities. They egged each other, took up the load when one of them rested, never ridiculed others' weaknesses, and were a source of strength to one another. This is the uh, very good nature of this Sankalp and his friends. What they have done, they exchanged their duties, but nobody ridicule or blame others about their weakness, but they were motivating others, or they became the strength to one another. Egged each other means encourage each other. Marshalling their resources carefully and working smoothly as a team, they were able to do the lawns and flower beds in 2 days and had a few hours to spare. Let us cover the compost pit and throw in the added service of tidying up the driveway, Sankalp declared. By 6 o'clock in the evening, they had finished. So by 6 o'clock, they had finished their work. And in addition to that, they tidied up the driveway also. It happened only because the work is organized properly among them and also because of their hard work. You have done a good job, I must say, smiled Madhu with satisfaction. Here, this is doing my part of the deal, he said, handing over a wad of bills to Sankalp. Why, there are 2,500 rupees here, he exclaimed with surprise. We had decided 2,000 only. Keep the money, Mr. Madhu said expansively. You all deserve it. So, what happened? By seeing the work done, Mr. Madhu became so pleased and he rewarded the money of rupees 2,500 instead of 2,000. Earlier, they were agreed with 2,000 rupees, but now Madhur given 2,500 rupees. He had given an extra amount of rupees 500 for their hard work. Actually, Mr. Madhur was extremely happy by seeing the work. They have completed their work on time and they have done it very neatly. Okay, let us see the new words. Marshalling means arranging or a group of people in order. Wad of bills means a roll of banknotes. Now see what Madhu said And to tell you the truth, I never expected you to finish the job in 2 days' time, he revealed. But you have not only finished the job in time, but also have done it perfectly. And to top it all, I have my driveway cleaned as well. What is happening over there? Madhur is praising the hard work of the boys. The boys were elated. You just had a lesson in teamwork, Sangal later remarked happily. A few days later, they did another property and then another. By the end of 2 weeks, Sangal sat with his team. We have just over 10,000 rupees with us, he announced. There were shouts of glee, and the friends hugged each other with joy. Sangalp and his friends could have their dream holiday at Nainital after all. So Sangalp and his friends became very happy and feel so proud. And this encouraged them, and they do some more works like this and end up to 10,000 rupees, which is enough for them to spend the holidays in the lower Himalayas. So what they have done, by using this money, they went to Nainital for spending their holidays. See the new words. Elated means very happy or proud. Glee, extreme happiness. So this is the story about the teamwork of Sangalp and his friends. Hope you all enjoy the story. What is the moral of the story? It is the importance of teamwork. When teamwork is working, the whole team would be motivated and working towards the same goal in harmony. Sometimes we like to work by ourselves, but working with others can bring lots of help. When we all work together, we get so much done. And not only that, we have a lot fun. Teamwork will help to achieve the goal easily and in a timely manner. So I wish you all will use the opportunities to work as a team and will enjoy it. Thank you.